So hi, good day everyone. My name is Quiara with a Q-U-I-A-R-A and this is my partner, Happy. So, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Welcome to my channel and please do hit the subscribe button down below. So, for today's video, we will be cooking spicy cheesy pork menudo. Itong dish natin ngayon ay ang pambansang hinahanap sa mga birthday at ang pambansang handaan sa mga birthday. So, paano yun? Let's watch this! Ano kayang ulam dito? Ano kayang handa? Hi Mars! Thank you for coming! Ito, gusto, kain ka na. Ito pinggan, no? Kain ka na. Mars, wala kang menudo, Mars? Wala kang menudo? Ay, wala, Mars, eh. Pero meron kaming spaghetti, lechon kawali, lechon, pansit. Kuha nga lang dyan, Mars. Ang handaan yun ang menudo. Pasensya na, Mars, ha? Ba't parang galit ka? Ba't parang kasalanan ko ka? In-invite lang kita. At ang pangunahing take home ng mga bisita, kasi meron tayong mga bisita na ready pa sa ready at hindi sila sabak sa gera ng walang dalang bala. So, ano nga ba yung mga balang ngayon? So, let's watch this! Hoy, Mars! Alam mo, Mars, sarap na to, Mars. Ay, salamat, Mars, ha? Salamat! Nasa na nga pala yung asawa mo, tsaka yung anak mo. Hindi, bakit di sila nakapunta? Pero gusto mo uwian mo sila ng menudo? Gusto mo uwian mo sila ng handa? Meron pa naman, dami pa naman. Sayang lang kapag di naubos. Okay lang ba? Hindi ba nakakahiya? Mars, huwag na, Mars! Okay lang yung may pagkain naman kami sa bahay. Pero kung gusto mo naman, if you insist, meron naman ako ditong Tupperware. Dito mo na lang ilagay yung spaghetti. Tapos dito mo na lang ilagay yung lechong kawali. Kasi para wala namang sabaw yun, kaya hindi okay lang. Tapos dito mo na lang ilagay yung menudo. Ano malalagay yung menudo, ha? Kasi para, alam mo naman yung may sabaw. Sige na, Mars, para bukas, meron din naman kaming agahan, tanghalian. Gawin mo na rin hanggang kapunan, ha? Thank you, Mars. At saka, Mars, then, nakita ko yung halaman mo dun sa taas. Pwede naman pahingi ako, Mars. Pahingi ako, paprun-prun naman dyan. Sige na, maganda yun sa terrace ko, Mars. Ha? Thank you, Mars, ha? Ito naman. Kala ko naman, bibisita ka lang. Nagsusouvenir shop ka pa pala. So, ang mga ginawa ko pong iyon ay for entertainment purposes only. May pagkaganon ako slide, pero syempre sa mga ka-close ko naman, hindi naman ganon kakapal yung mukha ko. So ganon ka-importante ang menudo sa bawat buhay ng mga Pilipino kasi siya ang pambansang hinihingi sa mga birthday at siya ang pambansang handaan. Kaya bawat Pilipino ay dapat merong menudo sa mga bahay nila kapag may handaan at mga birthday. So, without further ado, let's start and let's begin cooking! For the ingredients, we need garlic, onion, tomatoes, green chilies, and bell pepper. Pork or pork belly, yung laman, 1 medium-sized carrot and potato, salt and pepper, liver spread, tomato paste, and cheese. The mushroom is optional. Heat some oil on the pan and saute garlic. And wait for the garlic to have a golden brown color. When it is achieved, you can now add the onion and wait for the onion to turn into a whitish color. When it is turned into a whitish color, that's the time you will add the tomatoes. Now add the tomatoes. Wait for the tomatoes to be cooked. When it's all soggy and it's not firm anymore, that's the time when you will add the pork. cover for it to be easier to cook. Idagdag ang pork para kumapit ang lasa sa karne. I will add 3 tablespoons of fish sauce and I will taste it later para lang kumapit yung lasa ng patis sa karne. I added a glass of water and I waited for it to boil. And after that, I added half of the tomato paste to achieve that tomato flavor and orange color. I distribute the tomato paste evenly. And after that, cover. I added liver spread kasi wala akong sahog ng atay o liver. And I will be putting this for that added linamnam flavor. Then add the peppers. You can also include the seeds. You can slice the chilies or add more. It depends if you want it to be more spicy. And let it simmer. Add potatoes and carrots. Distribute it evenly for it to be cooked. Wait for 8 to 10 minutes for potatoes and carrots to be cooked. I added mushroom because why not? I like mushrooms, so I tried. Sprinkle some salt and pepper. Grated cheese on top. And check after 5 to 8 minutes, taste, and we're done. So this ends my video for today. I hope you like this video and I hope you watch my other cooking video as well. And you are always welcome to my channel. Come and visit. So bye. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.